Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to improve recording quality on OBS. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to your OBS and then click the file here at the top and then open the settings. Now that we are here in the settings, go ahead and click the video, and we're going to go ahead and change some few things here. So first things first is the base or canvas resolution. Ideally, you're going to have to set this one depending on your monitor's capability. For example, in my case, my monitor is capable of 1080p. That's why I've set this one to 1920 by 1080p. But say for example, your monitor has a max capacity of say for example 720p, then you're going to click this one and then change it to 720p. Now for the output or scale resolution, this is what is going to be the output of the video being recorded. So in my case, I'm going to use the same 1080p, but say for example, you have a 1080p monitor, but you want to have an output of 720p, you can just go ahead and change it like that. But if you're going to change it, you're also going to change the downscale filter, because again, from 1080p to 720p, there is a downscale happening. So for the filter, go ahead and click this one and choose between bicubic and Lanczos. Ideally, you'd want to have Lanczos. However, if your PC is not that capable, go ahead and choose or settle to bicubic. So again, in my case, I'm going to change this back to 1080p because my PC is capable of that. Common FPS values, go ahead and click this one and make sure that you are choosing this one. Common FPS values is set to 30 because in my case, it's just mostly conversation and not that is happening on my PC. But say for example, you're into esports or something that requires you to have a lot of things happening. For example, you are recording games, set it to 60 FPS for you to have smoother gameplay. Again, in my case, 30 FPS is going to be okay. Now go to output, and here for the output mode, go ahead and click this one and change it to advanced. And we're going to head over to recording. Now we are going to change a few things here. So recording path, go ahead and click this one in order for you to see it where you want to save it. And then recording format, choose MP4. This is going to be the most popular option for different devices. Video encoder, make sure that you have chosen H.264, not the others here. So again, once you're ready with that, go ahead and click apply. Click OK, and you are good to go. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.